Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button. Go to the gallery, select the picture. Adjust picture, remove the background, select the erase color. Enable button down. Select another picture. Adjust the picture. Remove the background, select the erase color. Enable button down. Adjust the picture. Select the text option, edit option by writing. Adjust the size. Select the font option. Adjust the font. Select the stroke button. Enable button down. Adjust the color. Select the shadow option. Enable button down. Select the color option. Adjust the color. Save the picture. Select the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Select the 3D shape. Enable button down. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.